2024 Mitsubishi Triton GLS 4x2 turbo diesel. Mileage is only 12,000 kilometers. Asking price natin dito is 1.245, 1,245,000. Negotiable pa yon. Unat na unat ang body, walang bangga, hindi rin nabaha, walang niretoke, all stock. Gulong makakapal pa, stock from casa. Ito naman yung kanyang loob. Ayan, naka-fabric seats, malinis, walang punit, walang butas. Ceiling malinis din, parang brand new pa talaga. Leather wrap steering wheel. Meron siyang controls dito sa manibela and cruise control. Pagdating naman sa safety features, napakaraming features nito. Meron siyang blind spot monitoring, forward collision mitigation. Meron din siyang auto brake. Marami pang iba. Meron siyang dual front airbags, curtain airbags, and knee airbags. Dito naman sa ating infotainment, naka 9 inches na touchscreen monitor with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Tapos naka 360 degrees camera na rin. Auto climate control, aircon, push start, 6-speed automatic transmission. Meron din siyang dalawang USB port and meron din siyang wireless charging. All power, power windows, power pod ng side mirror, and power adjust. Second row okay din, malinis din. Walang kadumi-dumi, walang sugat, wala ring sira. Ceiling malinis. Meron ding dalawang USB port and lighter charger. Ito naman sa likod, yan, LED tail lights, Triton badge, meron na rin siyang roll cage. Body, unat na unat, lata yan, paikot. Walang tama, walang bangga. All orig. Gulong makakapal, stock from casa. Orig paint, walang retouch. Engine natin is 2.4 liter turbo diesel engine. Bagong bago pa, napakalinis, napakatingin. So kung type nito ang ating 2024 na Mitsubishi Triton GLS, message nyo lang kami agad or tawagan nyo kami sa aming Facebook page. Napakamura lang nito. Mileage ito is only 12,000 kilometers. Original mileage. Double your money back on tampered. Again, asking price is only 1.245, 1,245,000. Negotiable pa yon. So wala na kayong ibang gagawin kundi tawagan kami or message nyo kami. Alright, this is Carboy out.